done. So I have started defining. So simple sentence. Simple sentence is very straightforward. It does not have any kind of connected detail. Okay. Uh, I love apples. You can say like, okay. Then coming to your compound sentence, it will have a connected remover. Okay. I love apples and also I like oranges. Right? This is a compound sentence. Coming to the complex sentence, as the word itself suggests, this is quite complicated. Like it will have two or both complex connector words. Yeah. I love apples. Comma. Uh, I also like oranges. And apart from that, I also love to eat mangoes. So as you can see, this is straightforward. I love apples. That's it. Compound sentence. I like apples and I like oranges. Mm. Complex sentences. I love apples. I also like oranges. And apart from that, I also love to eat mangoes. Okay. Right? So I will show you here. Let try to find the thing. Uh, let's say which is the smallest. Okay, let's say when it was collected by a recycling center. Yeah, or you can say just this one. It was collected by a recycling center. Straightforward to the point. There is no confusion here. Right? Mm. Then let's come into a little bit of complex things. Uh, Here, in reality, very few plastic items can be processed into new materials and products, she says in an email. This is a bundle compound sentence. Okay? Because it's quite a little bit of thing. But let's say which is the complex. Alright. So here you can say this one is your complex. Okay. This includes everything from plastic water bottle, drinking water is produced, wax, to disposable plastic pieces, plastic repair. Really any plastic item you use, then immediately discard. So this is kind of a long, lengthier one and also a little bit of difficult to grasp each and everything at one time.